How's it going, people of YouTube? My name is Tornado5783, and today we have some cool water cooling components to be unboxing. So first off, this is the EK Quantum Velocity2. This is for LGA 1700 sockets for the Intel 13900K, which is what I'm going to be using for my next computer build. And that will be paired up with a brand new Rogue Maximus Hero Z790 motherboard with DDR5 RAM and whatnot. So today we're going to be doing a unboxing of the EK Quantum Velocity2 water block from EK. This is the full nickel version. Pictured is the plexi on the box, and yeah, we'll just kind of look around the box. So this doesn't really have anything on it. It just says EK Quantum Velocity, LGA 1700, full nickel, and then has a QR code. Some information on the back. Again, nothing too crazy. So let's unbox. Let me pull out a knife. We'll use this guy. Pretty neat, right? We'll just get that sticker off there. I think that should be it. Get the knife off the screen. Tight fit. A box inside of a box. Open up this way. Don't forget other EK products for your liquid cooling system. We'll forget the moment. Wow, look at that. Holy moly. This thing, holy cow. This thing is heavy. I mean, this is like a brick. This is incredibly heavy. All right, well, let's continue the unboxing before we do other stuff. So it comes with some thermal grizzly conductanot, I think. That's pretty nice of them. And then that's all in the box. So let's take a look at what we got here. Let's first off, let's do a weigh test. Let's see how much this thing weighs. Grab our handy dandy weight scale. All right, zeroed out. Yeah, 2 pounds, almost 11 ounces. That is heavy. This thing's pretty dense. Full nickel. It looks amazing. Let's get to looking around this water block. So Velocity squared has the anti-EK tampering sticker. So we'll go ahead and open this up and see what's in the packaging. Wow, this thing is cool looking. So it looks like this is the, what do they call it? The exact mount. So, and we have an RGB cable, single RGB cable, 3-pin, pretty standard stuff. And then, yeah. Looks pretty good. Yeah. This is the unboxing. This is what comes with it. Just Allen wrench, some thermal paste, and then the water block itself. So if you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you hated it, give it a thumbs down, and a comment, like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.